Hey you guys, it's your girl Kayla B. You know me, and I'm coming at you with another video. It's another video. This is my Ipsy of I don't know what that sound was. Ipsy of December 2021. Last Ipsy Glam bag of this year. Yeah, this is $13, I believe now. $13 a month. You get 5 sample size products, basically just products to try stuff out. Sometimes you get full sizes like a brush, a mask, a lippy, you know, stuff like that. So let's get up into this. Especially I'm really excited for my choice item and also my add-on item. Everything else I feel like is a complete dud. I don't remember everything else, but I feel like it's a complete dud. So let's just open this up. So the first thing I'm gonna talk about is my add-on. This is the Uma Beauty Basic Icon Matte Lipstick, Badass Icon matte lipstick in Tracy. That's what it looks like, just straight by packaging. Uma is raised. Ooh. Oh, I thought it was gonna be deeper. Okay, I'm gonna try this out on my first impression Fridays. We're gonna put this to the test. All right, so let's go on with what's out of the bag. 2 items. So we have masks. You guys know I love sheet masks, but I feel like this sheet mask company, I cannot buy. Like, it's Korean made. I remember because I was trying to figure out how can I buy this. I only could buy this on FaceTory, and it's like I can't buy it from the website and I can't buy it from a store. So I feel like it's no use for me to review this, but if you are from Korea, if you know how to get it from there, or you're having a trip, I'm going to review this for you guys. And also because I kind of want to see what it does, if it works. This is the Ultra H2O Hydrating Mask and Brightening Mask. So yeah. The next thing is a dud too. I mean, this is a powder brush, yay. This is from the Beauty Crop and it's like unicorn themed. I don't like that. And then the way it's set up is like, it's kind of like the Sephora one, but then it's not because the bristles feel fake. Like, it doesn't feel that soft. It feels soft, but it doesn't feel like, it doesn't feel pro. It doesn't feel like a good brush. I mean, I use it for powder because obviously I just touched it, but I just don't like it. I don't like it at all. I just don't like it at all. Like, this brush is just no. Don't like it. But I get use out of it. I just don't like it. So, overall, this is a half a point, not a full point, because I can't buy it after getting this. And this is a half a point because it's a brush and I love brushes to get in a subscription box, to get in a beauty box, but it's like something I probably won't use or I don't really care about, so I'm probably gonna just use it. It's just another thing for first impressions. That's all I can say. It's like another thing for first impressions because it's a brush. This is what the bag looks like. It's like a little rough textured material. Has Ipsy right here in the gold tag. It's a nice holiday cheer moment. I just wish it had like a little wristlet. All right, here is the card. It says time to shine. That is the theme of the month. Yeah. Okay. Hold the fuck up. So I got this. I didn't get my fucking choice item. My choice item is a fucking lip oil. And I got this luminizer. I didn't even get the prices. I didn't get my fucking choice item. I got a fucking luminizer. A luminizer. I didn't get my choice item. I gotta call whoever it is to do it. I got the Surfer Curl Tarte C mascara. I'd heard horrible things about it. I'm not too stoked, but I am stoked that I got another travel size mascara to try out. And I got a hand cream, which probably doesn't smell like anything. This is the Ahava Dead Cream Sea Kissed. It's sealed, but I can smell it through the thing, so it smells good. It smells good. I'm really upset. I was so excited for my choice item. I was like, yes, a lip oil. I got a fucking luminizer. What is the point of making a choice item if you're not going to get the fucking choice item? I'm sorry for my profanity. I'm just really upset. Like, this fucking Ipsy was done. Like, this makes me want to just cancel Ipsy. I already canceled the Plus. Like, I already canceled the Plus. Let me cancel the Glam bag. Like, this is some BS. This is some BS. I don't get my fucking choice item. This is a horrible Ipsy. So, no point for the luminizer because I don't need any more luminizers. I have that in my fucking portfolio, and I chose the lip oil. Let's just put it like that. I chose the lip oil, and I got a luminizer that I don't want. So 0 points. This is a point because it actually smells good, and it's a hand cream. Half a point because I heard horrible things, but I want to try it out. And also I need another travel size mascara for my travel bag. Half a point because I can't even buy this. Half a point because this doesn't feel like good quality, but I'll use it. I'll try it out. 1, 2.5. 2.5 out of 5. This is not even a C worthy bag. F Ipsy. That's how I feel right now. I will let you know throughout the week if I get my choice item or not, what they say and all that extra stuff. Cool. And it reduces. I'm really upset. Video right here, head right here. This is the worst Ipsy ever. This is the first time I didn't get my choice item. I mean, I always seen people bad mouth Ipsy for not getting their choice item right, but this is the first time it happened to me. First time for everything, and this month is not looking good. Why bad things always come in 3? This, me and my man fought. I don't know if we're going to be together anymore. Like, it's 2 things, and then where's the 3rd one? Where's the 3rd one? Please happen before the holidays. Oh no, the 3rd one already happened. My uncle is now in the hospital because his kidneys is failing. Yay. No, it's not a yay, but it's just like, and it happened on my watch too. While it was his home health aide. So yeah, reports and everything. So yeah, so bad stuff comes in 3s. Unless this wasn't the bad stuff and something else was coming my way, but dang. Again, video had whatever. Horrible Ipsy. Deuces.